So I want to show you how the new Level 2 Garmin integration works, or at least a piece of it. So this piece of it, we're going to look at how to create a goal for a person around one of the Garmin metrics. So it's whether it's stress or number of calories burned or floors climbed, steps taken, how you can create a goal for them individually in the mEMA platform, and then create a survey that will show them their progress towards that goal each day. So right now I'm in the survey editor here. So you go to create surveys when you're logged in, and I created a little survey called Garmin Goals. And all you have to do, it's super simple. You just have to create a text entry question. So I'm going to edit this one that I already created. And you just need to give it a name. Only you see this, so it doesn't matter. This one's for steps. This text is what your participant will see on their app, and we'll go look at the app screen in a minute so you see what it looks like. But this is just going to be telling them their current step count. So the count is a discontinuous data form. So we're just showing up until now, at this point today, what are the number of steps that the Garmin device has collected. And then you just put this little code in the Garmin Analytics, in the Analytics code box, and that's it. And then things that are continuous, such as heart rate, for instance, it's pretty much the same setup. You write your long text here. So your current heart rate is, so this is going to be fluctuating throughout the day. Same idea, you put in the analytics code, and it's just going to show them what the current heart rate is today. So not the average, or there's another way that you can show them at the end of the day, maybe the average heart rate for the day. This is just the instantaneous heart rate. So that's how you set it up in the survey editor. So I already assigned it to myself here, and I just assigned it as an on-demand assignment type, so we can get into it and have a look at it. And before that, I went ahead and set up my goals for each of the metrics. So in this little window, I'm going down to Garmin Goals. And so for each of the available metrics, I can put in a goal. And this at this point is just for me. Now you could do this for an entire group if you wanted to give everybody the same starting goal, for instance, or you can set them as an individual. So those are already set. So when we sync to the mobile app, to this mobile code, which I'm going to put in right now, you'll be able to see what it looks like. So when we go into the phone, here I am on the home screen. I'm going to go to this little Garmin data icon at the bottom, and this shows us the real-time data that's coming directly from my Garmin, which you can see at the top is paired. So this is showing me the average for the continuous data streams, which are the ones at the top. It's showing me the value, which is the current value. So for example, heart rate right now is at 72. The average is 71. So it's the average for the day. And then the second set below are the discontinuous, or the discrete data types. So for instance, number of steps. So this is just the daily count so far. And this, so 946, this will reset at midnight. So then if I go into the assessment that we just created, the Garmin Goals assessment, I'm going to take an on-demand instance of that. That first question that we set up, although it's not really a question, it's a reporting item, shows you that today's current step count is 946, as we just saw, and that's 95% of the goal that I had set. So if we click through, we can see that those are displayed in each of them. This little thermometer graphic is just the default one that we have as a way of representing a percentage towards the goal. This can be pretty much anything. If you can imagine it, we can design it and put it in there for you.